Well, I did Health and Social Care Level 3 in sixth form, and I wasn't too sure what I wanted to do, but I knew I wanted to be in the health and social care sector. And I thought, I've heard about the college, and I thought it's only 5 minutes away from home. It's local, it's quite good, and I know the teachers are very helpful.
So this is my local college, good reputation, and I think for the course that I wanted to do, the counselling course, the feedback and things that I'd read were really good about here.
So last year I was volunteering in the local primary school for the employability challenge. I really enjoyed that. And then also we've done quite a lot of essays and assignments, and we also did a few role plays and presentations. So we've done safeguarding, mental health, we did communication, because obviously you need to be able to communicate in health and social care.
We learn lots and lots of types of theory. I do person-centred counselling, but there's loads of theory around that. But we also do things like mental health first aid. It incorporates so much stuff. We do a lot of practical skills as well with our peers. So we did that for a couple of years actually, before we were sort of let loose, if you like, on real people.
The services are amazing here as well. I've got dyslexia, so it's always been quite good to have one-to-ones with teachers. And I know I can email them as much as I want and they don't care what just small things. Sometimes I get a bit confused. The UCL buildings had an update, so they've had booths put in, which are great for when you're just getting work done and you don't want to be disturbed by the people in the rooms.
With the resources, I think you could always get the books that you need. There's always somebody to ask. I also sit on the panel for my peer group as well, so I go to meetings with the head of HE, which is fantastic, and they're really, really good at disseminating information.
Well, I never used to be able to communicate this well. Even my parents both said that through doing this degree, they found I talk a lot more than I used to. It's brought me out in my confidence, it's made me be able to think and communicate a lot better.
If you're coming to study at a later time in your life or a bit further on, or after you've had children, just have the courage of your own convictions. I procrastinated for so long and I gave myself any excuse not to come. But I just think if you've got that dream, just follow it, because it is absolutely life-changing. Don't get me wrong, it's really hard, but it's just opened up a whole new world and a whole new perspective.